Where do you begin when choosing timber flooring installation for your Liverpool home? We're investigating how to select timber flooring for your Liverpool property. There are a lot of things to make, and Adnan from Temis Flooring is here to help us go through everything and figure out where to start. Because very dark and very light floors show everything and demand a lot of maintenance, the color of your timber is an important consideration. We will discuss selection, hardness, softness, floating boards, insulation, direct stick, board size, and much more in this podcast. I like to start with the floor when deciding on finishes. It informs every subsequent decision taken to bring the house together and complement each tone. There is a lot to think about when choosing timber flooring. This episode will help you get started on going through each decision to locate the best timber flooring for your home. If you're concerned that the floating approach to timber floor restoration would limit your alternatives, let us set your mind at ease. A wide variety of wood flooring types are appropriate for floating installation. Some, on the other hand, work especially well with the floating process. Bamboo and synthetic wood are popular choices for floating floors. The explanation for this is likewise obvious. Bamboo and engineered wood are created using cutting-edge technology and machinery. As a result, developing them to promote their appropriateness for the floating process is straightforward. Engineered and bamboo timber flooring, for example, are typically constructed with a narrow timber rail running lengthwise along one edge and a similar depression running down the other. As a result, the rail on one floorboard neatly fits into the indent on another floorboard. This effectively locks the flooring together. With that design, installing the timber flooring utilizing the floating method is simple. It also provides long-term stability and durability. Floating timber floors are subject to the same wear and tear as traditional timber floors. That means you'll notice some worn-looking floors in high-traffic areas even after a few years. However, when that time comes, the ease of floating installation gives you an advantage. Instead of replacing the complete timber floor, you can reassemble it to address a few damaged locations. This is especially true for non-glued floating timber floors. When necessary, it is simple to disassemble pieces of your floors. As a result, if a portion of your floor becomes worn, it is simple to disassemble and replace. There is, however, a less expensive option. Instead of rebuilding your floor, why not modify it? That is, move worn flooring to less visible low-traffic places. The more vibrant floors from certain sections can then be relocated to conspicuous high-traffic locations. This procedure promotes even wear on your floor and helps you to get more use out of it before it needs to be restored. Flooring professionals. They will walk you through the numerous alternatives and prices connected with each. Temis Flooring in Liverpool can help you with all of your flooring needs.